Excited ka? Where are you going?
Hong Kong
And
Macau.
Dapat 2020 pa to eh.
joke lang! Chismosa. Hi guys!
Cinepresa Joy Walnut will be promoting foreign safety features for this aircraft.
Hello everyone, welcome to Hong Kong.
We just arrived at Hong Kong. The entire time tulog lang kami. Picture muna kami. Kasi first time nila mama at ni Tito dito. Kami ni Mommy tsaka ni Aika is second time. Kasi nandito kami before. Super bata pa kami.
Yes, Deb.
Value sa octopus card namin. Thank God mainit kasi I was expecting it's gonna be so rainy pero hindi pala. It's hot here.
Lamig na lamig, hindi ko makuha ng pupunta. Kaya nga eh, pagkagising ko nga eh, nakatiglog na tilog yan, ganun ako na yung pupunta.
Hi guys, so we just went to the 7-Eleven because I had to add value for my octopus card. Right now, we're going to the MTR. We're supposed to be at Ngongping kanina pang 8 AM, but then we didn't wake up early because we got home sa hostel namin, I think around 3 AM. We're gonna be late for Ngongping, but then we have to go kasi we booked the cable car. We're taking the MTR TST to Liking Station, and then from Liking Station, we're going to take the Tung Chung. So yeah, I'll see you later. I don't know lang where to tawid here. Hindi kaya. Hindi mas malala pa ito papit ng Baguio. We're here at the public restroom. And guys, sobrang itim ko na. Isa lang insenso na ginaganon-ganon nila. Ako, I didn't take one kasi I'm INC. So basically, we don't practice these things. I had no idea it would be this hot. The entire time I was watching for the weather here in Hong Kong sa HK Observatory, it says it's gonna rain. Like few showers. Tutu pa lang naman, but then it's not raining at all. Super init. I thought it would be, alam mo yun, medyo cold. It's so nice! Looking for Buzz Lightyear. Kasi, sabi ko kay Davidson, naalala ko siya dun sa Buzz Lightyear kasi his friends used to tease him na kamukha niya si Buzz Lightyear. So, dito na kami guys sa Ngongping T60 and na yun yung cable car niya. Sana, isang cable car lang kami para masaya. Para wala kami ibang kasama. Guys, after this, punta kami sa Tung Chung to Liking and then Liking to TST and then we're going to Victoria Harbour.
Ayun na, tingnan nyo, ayun na yung pababa.
Wow, it's so cool! Tilapia! Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Hong Kong Museum Art Malapit. Pero I think this is Victoria Harbour. And punta
Kaya
kami...
maniwalan sa Pasig lang, Omi.
And punta kami sa Clock Tower kasi parang maganda ata ito.
Ano sis, mainit pa rin. How about you? What would you say?
So yummy.
I think, oh my God, magugustuhan ni Davidson to if nandito siya. Ang daming nightwear. Oh, this one's nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah, nice. Say hi to my vlog. Hi! Guys, it's our day 3 here at Hong Kong. And currently, we're here at the Central. Kasi ito yung gagalaan namin the whole day. Guys, my favorite is Chupa Chups na sourdough.
Delicious.
This is my food.
We go to pick.
I'm with my friend. Kendall Jenner. With my sister. PM na. Lumabas kami nila mama kasi gusto namin makita yung Victoria Harbour sa gabi kasi di kami nakanood ng The Symphony of Lights. Guys, ang ganda.